My name is Oren Sasson-Levy, and I'm a cook, Ishtabach, Jerusalem.
What's the meaning of the name Ishtabach?
There's two meanings. The one is man cook, and the other one is praise the Lord. My additional, it's man cook. In Ishtabach, it's man cook, and the other one is Ishtabach Shemo, praise the Lord. So this is the, and inside of that, there's my name and my wife inside of this name. So this is simplicity. Bless the Lord, and everything's going to be okay. That's all. We're here to bless something. After 6 years ago, I had a little illness, and big ill. And when I wake up, I open a restaurant. I was in a coma. I go to the hospital and I was slept for 2 months and 5 days. And then didn't give me a chance to live, 5%. And if I'm going to live, I'm going to be a vegetable or eggplant. And after 2 months and 5 days, I wake up in a post-trauma. And in my dreams in this coma specifically, I saw my grandmother. And she was a blessed woman. And I make a revelation for 2 years. Afterwards, I thought what my grandmother wants me to do. So this is her pastry, this is her hand. Something that it's not a plate that you can measure a leaf or something. It's all your heart inside of the pastry. So everybody feels it. All the service depend on this kind of type of food. That's what my grandmother teaches us to do. To put all your spirit, all your love inside of something, and it's going to be phenomenal. And that's what we are doing here.
What do you think your grandmother think of what you're doing?
Oh, she's very happy.
No.
She's very, very happy because we were a small place, 12 seats only. And now after 4 years, we are 100 seats and we are almost full every day. It's happy food. Enjoy it. Simplicity and happy. That's all.
And you open it with a special dish that came from your grandma.
My grandmother, it's a traditional dish. It came from Syria and Kurdistan. It's one mountain divided to 4 pieces.
Okay.
Kurdistan, Syria, Turkey, and Urfal. Okay. So everybody put her thing. My father is from Syria. My grandmother is from Kurdistan. They match up and come to Israel. So that's what happened. Shamburak, it's shemevorach, that blessed from the leftovers of Shabbat.
Okay.
All the meat, the leftovers from Shabbat. Put it outside, chop it with herbs, and put it in a dough, in an oven. The shamburak, it's that blessed.
So it's especially Jewish dish?
Yeah.
Only Jewish?
Only Jewish.
From this part of the world, from this area.
Exactly.
Yeah. So all the fillings are, of course, because it came from leftovers on Shabbat, so all of the dishes are long cooking kinds of meat, different kinds of meat?
Yeah. We have like 9 or 10 fillings.
Okay.
We have short ribs with wine, long cooked, 10 hours cooked. We have brisket with beer. We have ground beef, Syrian kebab, 18 kind of herbs. We have short ribs asado, chopped, like 16-hour cooked.
Okay, and seasoning with what? What kind of flavor?
Local. Paprika, garlic.
Okay.
And then you have the siske that it's...
siske is something that's unique to this part in Jerusalem.
Yeah, siske, it's short ribs that burned out. It's burned. Like
okay.
Between 16 to 20 hours cooked.
Overcooked.
Overcooked, exactly. Not usual, it's burnt meat.
Okay, siske is something typical from this part of the Kurdish neighborhood in Jerusalem.
Yeah, this is the most, the unique Kurdish...
kube.
Yeah.
The filling of the authentic Kurdish
authentic soup of the kube, yeah.
So actually what it is, it's overcooked.
Overcooked.
Short rib.
Yeah, it's burned. It's burned and then it's chopped.
Okay.
And then we fill it in the dough and put it in the soup or now here in the oven.
Okay.
And we have, this is Indian mashed potato.
Like
samosa.
Different?
because my wife is Indian.
Okay.
So we have a few dishes that is similar to her. I take my
So this is
grandmother.
a new story now.
Yeah.
Your wife also involved.
Everything is involved.
She's a
Yeah.
partner with the Indian flavor inside.
Yeah.
Okay. So we move from Kurdistan to India.
Yeah.
Interesting.
You have all the cultures you have inside. You have chimichurri from
South
South
America,
America,
of
and you have chorizo that it's the South America,
Okay.
and the rest of Syria and Kurdistan and Israel. Chimichurri, onion,
Just long frying onion. Eh?
yeah,
Okay. Great. Caramelized onion. What is this one?
chorizo, without not the
Without
sausage,
the
the
skin.
filling of the sausage. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Chicken.
Chicken satay, it's a little bit fusion. It's peanut butter, chili, soya sauce, ginger.
Okay. And this is the vegetarian one.
Vegetarian is
important.
sweet potato, mushroom, onion, and lentils, black lentils.
lentils.
Inside, it's like a meat.
I feel like one of these.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you now.
Yes, he said it. Okay.
The pastry is made yesterday, and we open it only in the morning. We
So
open
it's
it.
at least 12 hours rest in the fridge.
Yeah.
In the fridge.
Yeah. And we have different kinds of filling, so you're gonna show it in a few minutes.
The menu is fixed, or I can ask you to put some this and this, and how it works?
The menu is fixed. You cannot mix.
Okay.
You can never mix. You can share with your friends. So this is you can share. You can take one and yeah. And as you can see, I'm not all the time here.
You should have to translate it.
Okay. So
What's the most popular one? Is that one?
לא שמעתי?
What's the most popular?
Short ribs, siske, and chick meat. Chick meat.
meat?
Yeah, chick meat is one of the best. And then we are closing it. After we put all the ingredients inside, we close it. It's called pigeon. The closing is called pigeon.
Pigeon.
Yeah, it's like a pigeon.
Ah, that looks like a
That
pigeon.
looks like
yeah.
a pigeon. So in Arab, it's called hamama.
Shamam.
Close it. במקור, מאיר, במקור. אין לי אסדו. And you have the name of the
Yeah,
dish.
we'll mark it with the same letter, with the first letter of each dish. Yeah, sorry.
הופה. Plain and
Okay.
simple. We split it into two, so we have like a sandwich in your hand. And you should only eat it with your hands because you have how many senses? You have more than five, but yeah, but most of people have five senses. Four is spiritual. 1, 2, 3, 4. One material, but you have 5 fingers to combine 5 senses. You cannot with a knife and a fork. I want you to taste some of our salads.
Okay.
Every dish comes with 3 small salads, but 3 special small salads.
Go for it.
So please. This is Indian curry.
Okay.
It's a lemon. It's cooked like 60 hours. 60.
6-0.
60, not
Well,
yeah.
only lemon?
Only lemon.
And
Lemon, curry leaves, garlic, hot chili, fresh, and it stays 24 hours just with salt, and then it's come out,
Drain.
strain it, and then we cooked it, and then we have to rest like 48 hours,
Okay.
and with the chometz,
Vinegar.
vinegar,
Vinegar.
plain vinegar, you can try it.
Okay.
And then you have a question, what this one? If this is a lemon, what this one?
What is this one?
You're gonna tell me.
תפוז סיני כזה, נכון?
Excellent, coconut.
קוקומט.
Most of the people, this is our green salad.
אוקיי.
Most of people know that curry is a mix of herbs.
Yeah.
איך הוא מתבלינים?
Spices.
Yeah, but curry, it's a dish.
It's a dish.
Curry, lemon curry, orange curry, eggplant curry, and etc., etc., etc. So you have the curry lives inside, but the mix of the herbs, of the
Spices.
spices, is only because of the English people. It came, they didn't know what is curry, so they make us. But this is real curry,
אוקיי.
and this is
צ'ילי.
chili jam.
Very nice. שום? garlic?
כן,
garlic confit cream. Oren,
כן.
I have to say they're quite expensive side dish.
Yeah, because we have many kinds. This is the kinds that we only, if somebody, the regular people that already know the place, they asking it all the time.
Okay.
So we're giving it. Bless the Lord and everything's going to be okay. That's all. We're here to bless something. Thank you very much for coming.